This bridge was built in the 12th century to connect TUI with other settlements. 12th century, y'all. And it's still here. Good morning, it's day 11. It's a beautiful 2 miles yesterday. And today I'm doing 5, walking to Os Eidos. I wanted to walk a little bit farther today, but I had some troubles finding accommodation, so I just shortened it. But I'm at a beautiful homestay. It's been turned into a small hostel, and the owner actually cooks dinner and breakfast, and I've heard amazing things. So, you know, sometimes things work out for the best. But where I am right now, I'm not sure. I just walked out of TUI. It smells amazing in here, and I'm not even sure what it is, because all I see is these like big white wildflowers, similar to what I've seen in the US. But I don't know, it just smells, these countries smell amazing, at least along the Camino. So it'll be a short 5 miles today, and then the next couple days we're going to be hoofing it. Start to make our way to Santiago and close that gap. All right, I'll talk to you in a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little giggly today because it's just another day, and I cannot believe that I am walking through Europe and that's my day. So I'm feeling like a giggly 55-year-old little girl today. So it should be an amazing day, being that I'm in this spirit right now. In case you're wondering if I'm alone out here, there's 4 people in front of me, probably 15 behind me today. It is busy on the Camino today. It's quite pretty in here. It's been a nice walk. It's been a combination of road and forest today. It's gonna be a beautiful 5 miles today. Voted best pilgrim rest stop on the Camino so far.
Buen camino.
Gracias. Just a little stop off of the Camino for a cup of coffee. I mean, nothing like coming out of the woods right there and just having this amazing, beautiful stop to get a snack. So grateful. Okay. Let's head towards home for the night. And if the little stop is closed, you have vending machines right here. This is why I wanted to switch over to the central route, was to get more inland so I could walk through the villages and get another experience. These fences are just made out of slabs of granite. So grateful for the forest walking today after spending the last couple days baking in the sun. How beautiful is this? It's a nice breeze. It's overcast. About to go over another stone bridge. Horse poop. Here you have more of the granite slabs lining this walkway with these tall ones. It's my stay for the night, Casa Alternativo. A nice, small, more private experience. It's beautifully quiet here. Except for the mower, but what can you do? Check-in time is at 2:30, and I think I timed it perfectly. I think it's right a little before 3. Ah. Hi, puppy. Hello. I heard about you. His dogs, I've learned here, really don't care about you in this country. It's like Thailand. They're too lazy to care. Hi, baby. Hello. Swimming pool, fire, shoes. Hammocks. This is the communal dining area. It's a full and a twin. 2 twins in this room. Shower, washing machine and dryer, or you can hand wash. This is the bunk room. And of course, I'm on the bottom. Looks like somebody juggles. It's an indoor shower and bathroom, but there's also an outdoor shower and an outdoor toilet.